What do you mean by states of matter? Then what do you mean by matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies the
Mass and
space.
occupies
Occupies
space.
space.
Then mass, it is an
Actual measurement of the
actual
amount
measurement
of
Measurement of
amount of
matter
matter present. Then second one is, what are the different physical properties? What do you mean by physical properties? Properties of matter is the properties of matter that can be observed or that can be measured without trying to change the composition of the matter being studied. Then chemical properties, it is the these are properties of matter demonstrates when attempts are made to change it into new substance. Change it into new substance. Then physical changes and chemical changes. What is physical changes? Changes matter undergoes without changing composition. That is physical changes. There is no change in physical composition. Physical composition or changing without composition, without changing composition. Then chemical changes, changes of matter, changes of matter undergoes that involves change in composition. What do you mean by physical change? Physical change means
without changing
Not
composition.
involves
without
changing
changing of
composition.
composition. Then matter changes undergoes that involves changes in composition. Changes in composition. Then what are the different states of matter? We have three. We have
Solid,
three
liquid,
states of
gas.
matter:
Liquid and gases.
solid, liquid, and
Liquid
gas.
and
Solid,
gas.
liquid, and gas. Here you can observe this one. Then first one, what is the difference between these three? Okay, solid means solid retains a fixed volume and shape. Is it right?
Yes,
It remains a fixed volume and space. Then liquid assumes the shape of
Takes the shape of the container.
the shape
which it occupies. Then third one, gas assumes the shape and volume of container.
shape and volume of the
Shape
container.
and volume of its container. Anything, any shape, any volume. Then second one, solid may be rigid. It may be rigid, very hard. Then particles locked into a particular place. This is not easily compressible. Solid is not easily compressible. Then liquid, in case of liquid, particles can move or slide past one another. Slide past one another. Then gas, particles move past one another. Then carry on. What is that? Not easily compressible. In case of solid, then liquid, it is also not easily compressible. Then gas may be, it may compressible easily. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
చేయొచ్చు కదా, ఎక్కడికంటే దగ్గరకు వచ్చేస్తాయి. మనం ఎంత స్పేస్ ఇస్తే అంతవరకు పార్టికల్స్ అన్ని మూవ్ అవుతాయి. దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ మూవ్ randomly. And zigzag motion. Then second one is, then next one is little free space between particles. We have little space between particle and particle in case of solid. In case of liquid, little, it is also we have
Space between particles.
and particles. Then in case of gas,
Lots of space.
స్పేస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, స్పేస్ ఎంత ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే అంతలోనే ఉంటుంది. ఇంత ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే ఇంత గ్యాస్ అనేది ఎక్స్పాండ్ అవుతుంది. రైట్? ద మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాస్ కెన్ expand throughout the container. Then does not flow easily. Solid, in case of solid, it does not flow easily. Is it right?
Easily.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
In case of liquid, it flows easily.
Can flow.
Easily. Third one is gas. In case of gas, it is also flow easily. It spreads throughout the container. It occupies the total volume of container.
Volume of container.
Yeah. But what is the effect of time and temperature. What is the effect of this is also called as actually we have only 3 states. Then how can you how the state may be converted into one state to another state, one state to another state. Initially, for example, solid. Then we have what is that increase in temperature. The solid may converts into liquid.
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 Yeah, here solid may convert into liquid.
Liquid.
At melting point, that phenomena or that process may be called as melting.
Melting point.
Phenomena, solid to liquid. Solid to
Liquid.
liquid conversion may be called as what is that? That phenomena or process may be called as melting.
Melting point.
Melting point.
Then the further increase in temperature, with the time, the liquid then converts into gas.
Yes.
Boiling point.
Boiling
Okay.
point. Boiling point.
Liquid converts into gas.
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 That may be called as vaporization.
Boiling point.
Boiling point.
The process may be called as vaporization. Is that right?
Vaporization.
Yeah,
Yes.
vaporization. Then after that, then
Gas.
solid to again. Then if you further increase in temperature, then solid directly converts into gas. This phenomena may be
Yes.
called this process may be called as sublimation. What is that? Solid to
Sublimation.
S to L.
Sublimation.
Please write down. S to L conversion. Solid to liquid. That process may be called as melting.
Vaporize.
Is that right?
Melting.
Melting. Then liquid to
Liquid to gas.
gas. What is that? Vaporization.
Vaporization.
Then solid to gas.
Solid to gas. Sublimation.
What is that?
Sublimation.
Sublimation. Then liquid. What is the reverse process of melting? What is the
Gas to
process of melting? Freezing.
Boiling.
Reverse process.
Liquid to
solid. Liquid to
solid.
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 The process may be called as freezing. Melting ki opposite ఏంటి? Melting అంటే melt అవుతుంది.
Freezing.
Then opposite ఏంటి? Freeze అవుతుంది. Freezing.
Freezing.
Melting and reverse process freezing.
Freezing.
Then liquid to gas, what is that? Vaporization and then condensation. Reverse process will be condensation. Reverse process means gas to liquid. That is condensation. Then gas to solid to gas, what is that? Sublimation. Then next one is what is the plasma? Then next one is matter can be classified into 2 types. The matter can be classified into 2 types. Then first one is pure substances. Then second one is mixtures. Pure substances and mixtures.
Mixtures.
Yeah. Pure substances may consist of constant composition. Substance means it consists of pure
Constant
Pure
composition.
substance means it consists of a constant composition.
Composition.
But mixture composition will be variable. Then pure
Variable.
compounds or pure substances may classified into 2 types: compounds and elements.
Elements.
Yeah, compounds and elements. Compound. What do you mean by compound? Compounds are formed by 2 or more elements. Combination of 2 or more elements. 2 or more elements. Then mixtures may be classified into homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous means same properties. The mixture having same properties throughout the system. Then homogeneous, for example, solution. For example, solution. Then heterogeneous, they have two or more phases. They have two or more phases, each with its own set of
Varun.
each with its own set of properties. Each with set of properties. The matter can be classified into pure substances and mixtures.
Mixtures.
Pure substances are classified into compounds and elements.
Compounds and
Mixtures
elements.
may be classified into homogeneous.
Homogeneous
Mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures.
Then what do you mean by element? Elements are substances that cannot be decomposed by chemical means. That cannot be decomposed by chemical means into a simpler substance.
Chemical means.
Simpler substance. And what do you mean by compound? Compounds are substances formed from two or more different elements. Two or more different elements combined in a fixed proportion by mass. In a
By
fixed
mass.
proportion by mass.
Mass.
Yes.
Mass.
Elements and compounds are examples of pure substances. Already I have discussed. What do you mean by mixture? A mixture consists of
Consists of
very
Different
amount of two or more elements. Two or more elements. Two or more elements. First one is homogeneous mixtures or solutions have same properties throughout the sample or throughout the system. Then second one is consists of
heterogeneous mixtures.
consists of two or more phases. Two or more phases. This is the introduction of states of matter. Introduction of states of matter.